I was trying hard कि नहीं मुझे green करना है green. Mostly like MCQ was like kind of game. I have made it like a game that I have to level up like that. It's not easy for a married woman to pursue the studies without husband support, and my father was on my back.
So hi, what's your name?
Dr. Swati.
So Dr. Swati, how has the journey been throughout the medical terms?
I was married during my UG course, and then I had a baby. So there was gap after my final year internship. Like I had dropped my studies.
A little halt.
Yeah, not little. It was a huge.
Okay.
Like because always like during exam, that MBBS things recalls. Like what you have studied in first year and second year, that is that has always been recalled during exam. But after this huge gap, it was a bit hard for me to start with my baby.
So how did you overcome this hardship?
After like 4 years, like I had attended Zainab ma'am BTR, offline BTR, and then I scored like pretty much, and then I thought that yes, I can do it. It is doable. I can do it if I'll try. And
you did it. So you did it before, now you have redone it, I would say, right?
yeah.
So you have आप अपने पाथ में आप आगे बढ़े, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़े, शादी करी, बच्चा हुआ, उसके बाद भी आप रुके नहीं, थमे नहीं. Whatever persuasion you wanted to pursue in the life, you did that, and that's great.
Thank you.
So what has been your pillar of strength throughout?
My father and my husband, like they were my rocks. It's not easy for a married woman to pursue the studies without husband support, and my father was on my back.
I would rephrase that, not only work or something, without the family support, especially after being married and after having a kid, you cannot pursue anything. If you have to simultaneously do two things, so you cannot just, आप ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप उठे पहले की तरह आप उठे और आपने वो कर लिया, नहीं. Being married, having a kid, having an alternate life, and then doing something that you wanted to do for such a long time. So that's a huge thing that your family supported, and it's a commendable
Family
thing.
supports come from like after that BTR, offline BTR, they have seen me like I was trying. Like
Trying hard.
I was trying, like suppose I used to open that MCQs and like question bank, and then I have explained my baby that this is a game. If we'll do it green, like if answer MCQ will be corrected, there we'll get that green color, and that's how we'll win. Fatake jalenge kind of thing.
Okay.
And then most like whenever if I'm doing somewhere wrong and MCQ got incorrect and there is red mark, then मेरा baby upset हो जाता था. फिर like I was trying hard कि नहीं मुझे green करना है green. Mostly like MCQ was like kind of game. I have made it like a game that I have to level up like that. And then
Persuasion is the key. Persuasion is the key to pursue and to be very particular about things. Like, what was your routine?
basically having a child and a life, alternative life. Earlier, I didn't. It was not that I had followed some strict routine. जब भी time मिलता, whenever I used to convince my baby, like we used to play that MCQ game. I had never call it MCQ. It was a game. So we do that level up.
And now you are here, I would say. So, in between, what did you feel that this is pulling me down or I am not able to do it? maybe I won't be able to do it. क्या था ऐसा?
Every time I had that self-doubt, but then Zainab ma'am, she used to tell, लाइफ में जितना बुरा होना है ना सब होएगा, तुम्हारे साथ ही होएगा, फिर भी you have to do it.
You have to stay strong in life. अच्छा, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, जैसे दिन होती है तो रात भी होगी, सुबह है तो शाम भी होगी, बट स्टिल यू डोंट हैव टू बी डीमोटिवेटेड, या आपको कभी भी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए.
Truly speaking, like Vidya Jeevan, like it's like kind of Gurukul for me. Like their motivation, it's not just like something like ऐसे ही कुछ भी. They are actual feelings, actual story, actual journey of the student. And फिर वहाँ से motivation मिलती है. Like if they can do, why can't I? Then
And you did it.
Yeah.
And that's appreciable. Thank you so much.